Hey, what's going on, guys? Just got back from the field. That's why I'm all dirty and shit. Um, you can see there's my sif on the floor. Haven't been able to shower yet. Just got back. I couldn't wait to make this video because I got something nice here. This is gonna be. Well, I can't flip the damn camera around because it's stupid. But anyway, I'm gonna open it up for you guys. Come on. So we went out to the fucking range for 3 days, and this is how dirty I get. And oh boy, just you guys wait. And this is just one of the boxes. So as y'all see, the 1/200 scale HMS hood by Trumpeter. Let me get it out of the box here so I can lift it up and show it to you guys. Okay, come on, you. Okay. There. Big ass box, as you can see. Just to give it perspective, I'm 6'2", and this is how tall. This is where the box comes up to me. All right, so that's the first thing. Let's go on to the other things. Start with the. I think this one is a paint because the other one that I have right now is the Free Time Hobbies. I only ordered one thing from there. So let's see what we got. Of course, we got a nice little letter here from Scale Hobbyist, because Scale Hobbyist loves me. Joking, but that is one of the best prices I've found to get things. Okay, so this one is going to be my paint and some other things. So let's see what we got. Got 3 cans of flat dark aircraft gray. 3 cans of that. 2 cans of flat red. I'm not going to take those out of the bottle, but leave. Actually, you know what? Screw it. Nobody does. Okay, so here we got decal set. You can already smell it. And then U.S. Army gray drab. It's gray paint. And then, to top this box all off is the detail set for the HMS hood. And yeah, that's it for that box. So let me open the last box and I'll show you guys what I got from there. Man, I really want to take a shower right now. I am stinky. Like, all you get to clean yourself in the field is baby wipes. So you start to stink up pretty bad after. And here is the last box, and this is all that's in it. Of course, I got better anchor chain for it, but it's a wooden deck. Looks like it's got some detail parts in there too that I didn't know about. So, of course, it comes with the instructions, but it's a wooden deck, and this should come in pretty well. This should be put on pretty easily and whatnot. We'll see what happens. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Comment, like, subscribe if you want to know more. I got other things in the process right now. I'm also building the Alaska here. I got an unboxing video of it somewhere that I'm meaning to put up on YouTube. And my Missouri right here. Also in the process of RCing it. I bought a few RC parts for it. As of right now, that's it guys. So I'll talk to you later. All right, out.